Hi everyone, my name is Lynn. Welcome back to Gardening from Square One. If you're joining for the first time, welcome. Today I'll be sharing an excellent list of must-have perennials for the front of a sunny border. Stay tuned. So last year with my auger and shovel, I dug holes and added everything in the middle of this bed, minus of course the Busy Bee Vitex that went in the summer of 2023 and the Chitolpa to the left of it that went in fall of 2023. Now one of my goals for 2025 is to fill in the front row of this long perennial bed. And so I started thinking about this space, making a list of great front of the sunny border perennials. Now this list is made up of most of the plants that I currently grow or have grown, including in former gardens when I lived in other parts of the country. So grab your beverage, get comfy, and let's dive into this list of great perennials for the front of a sunny border. First on the list is Sedum, also known as stonecrop. Now this is a versatile and hardy succulent that thrives in well-drained soil and in full sun. It is excellent for drought-tolerant landscapes as well. Now many sedum will reach heights of 12 to 18 inches, but there are also ground cover varieties. Sedum has fleshy leaves and star-shaped flowers that come in a wide range of colors. It is also a great low-maintenance, sun-loving, pollinator-attracting plant that is great for the front of sunny borders. Daylily is a popular perennial known for its stunning blooms. Now, I currently don't grow this due to deer and rabbit pressure as well as intense spider mite pressure during the summer, but many of you don't have to deal with any of that, and this is an excellent choice. Now, daylilies come in so many varieties. They adapt well to a variety of soil types and sun exposure. Now, many daylilies are lower growing, which makes them great for the front of the bed or border. They come in so many colors and they are drought tolerant once established. I think this plant looks great in a raised bed, just kind of draping over the edge, or near the front of a bed with ground cover or very low annuals growing underneath it. The next plant on the list is Nepeta. It grows in zones 3 to 8 or 9. It is a drought-tolerant, sun-loving perennial that looks great at the front of borders. It will have spikes of small tubular flowers that bloom in shades of blue, purple, or white from spring until cold weather arrives. It is a no-fuss plant for the front of the borders. I recommend Cat's Pajamas Nova Blue. They're both great low-growing varieties, and then Cat's Meow can easily be capped to about 18 inches in height, but all three are excellent options for the front of a border. If you enjoy this kind of content, please do not forget to click like, subscribe, and notifications for more gardening tips and notifications. Another excellent choice is Monarda, also known by many as bee balm. Now this is an easy to grow perennial that is part of the mint family. It is deer and rabbit resistant and it thrives in zones 4 through 8. Its blooms will come in lovely shades of pinks, reds, and purples from spring through summer. These plants range in height from about 14 inches to just over somewhere around 2 feet. It is an excellent choice for the front of sunny borders. Next on my list is Artemisia, which is part of a diverse genus of plants known for their aromatic foliage. Now, silver lining Artemisia is the variety that I have experience with. It has silvery or gray-green leaves, which add texture in contrast to gardens. It will become about 12 inches in height, 3 feet in width. It thrives in well-drained soil in the full sun. Therefore, it is an excellent choice for hot, dry gardens in the front of your borders. Veronica or speedwell is a gorgeous perennial known for its spikes of small tubular flowers that come in a variety of colors. This plant thrives in full sun except for the hottest climates where it prefers part sun. So 4 to 6 hours maximum of direct sun or filtered sun all day would be okay in the hottest climates. Now, this plant provides lovely splashes of color while attracting bees and butterflies. There are excellent lower growing varieties like pink marshmallow, white wand, Georgia blue, and Wizard of Oz. Next on the list is Dianthus. Many of these plants grow to heights of 6 to 12 inches with a spread of about 12 inches. It flowers during the spring and summer in zones 4 through 9 with fragrant, colorful flowers in shades of pink, red, and white that are great for attracting pollinators and the front of a sunny border. Another great plant for the front of a sunny border is Coreopsis, also known as tickseed. This plant becomes 12 to 18 inches in height with bright colors, blooming profusely throughout the summer, attracting butterflies. Last on my list is Salvia. Now there are many varieties of Salvia, including plants that grow to reach heights of only 12 to 24 inches. Now these lower growing salvias are sun lovers that will add spikes of blue, purple, pink, or white flowers. And they are great for attracting bees and butterflies to the front of a sunny border. Okay, that is my list of must-have perennials for the front of a sunny border. If you enjoyed learning about or seeing these beautiful blooms, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more gardening information and tips. Also, add a comment below regarding what plants you're excited to add to your garden this year. Happy gardening, everyone! Thanks for watching. Bye!